So hello guys, welcome back to LT Education. So now we will be going to the next step after setting up the base entitlement for our absence quota type. So in that we will go to first SPRO, time management, time data recording administration, managing time accounts. Okay. After that we will go to this calculating absence entitlement, then rule for generating absence quotas. After that we will go to determine validity and deduction period. Okay, so first we will look into the table. Table name is V underscore T559D. Okay, now here we'll be adding a new entry with our ESG and PSG settings. So AC grouping we have set up as 1, PSG grouping we have set up as 10. Our absence quota type is 21. Okay, so now we are setting up the validity period of our absence quota type, like from when the accrual will start. Okay, for example, from January to December, we want our uh, validity to be start for our absence quota type. Okay, so calendar year start start okay, and validity till end. Okay, so when our calendar year will start, from then the quota accrual will get started, and till the end of our year, till the end of December, our quota accrual will take place. Okay. Similarly, deduction interval, like when our quota will can be deducted. So it can be deducted from the starting of the year. Absence quota can be deducted from the starting of the year until the end of the period. Okay, start of validity interval. So from when our quota accrual will start and when our quota accrual will get end, till that period we can utilize our absence quota. Okay, so there are one more thing related to like relative position. Relative position. So what does this mean? Like we don't want to start, for example, uh, for a calendar year, for example, we don't want our quota accrual to start taking place from January. Okay, we want it to take place from you can say March or April. So then we can select as relative position as 3. So after 3 months, our quota accrual will get starting place. For example, in this case, from April, it will get starting place. Similarly, and okay. So for example, our quota accrual has started taking place from quota accrual is starting taking place from month of April, and we want it to get ended 3 months before or 2 months before the end of the year. Okay. So in this case, our quota accrual will start taking place from April, okay, and it will be accrued till you can say till the end of October, okay. So we can set up the relative position as well based on our company's condition, client condition. Similarly, deduction period also we can set using the same setting that from when our uh, quota accrual deduction will take place. So we don't want our employees, if in case we don't want our employees to start utilizing the leaves from the month of January. So what we'll do, we will set up the position from then the employees can take utilize this quota. Okay. So that's how we can set up our setting. So in this case, I'm not using these relative things. So here I will select the value as blank. Similarly, here I will set the value as blank. I will remove this too. Okay, so our quota accrual will starting place from the month of January and it will take place till the end of year. Okay, so we can save this. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.